Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Rsync incremental backups with Cron on VPS step by step clearly. To enable Rsync incremental backups with Cron on your VPS, follow these steps. First, connect to your VPS using SSH. Use the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP to log in. Replace username with your actual username and your _VPS_IP with your VPS IP address. Once logged in, ensure that Rsync is installed on your server. You can check if Rsync is installed by running the command rsync version. If Rsync is not installed, you can install it using your package manager. For Debian-based systems, use sudo apt-get install rsync. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum install rsync. Next, choose a directory that you want to back up. For example, you might choose /home/username/data. Create a directory where your backups will be stored. You can create a new directory using the command mdir/path/to/backup. Ensure that the backup directory is not located on the same partition as the data you're backing up. Now, you need to create a script for the rsync command. Open a text editor to create your script. For example, you can use nanobackup.sh. In the editor, start with the shebang line #bin/bash. Next, add the rsync command to your script. Use the following format: rsync av delete/path/to/source/path/to/backup. The flag enables archive mode, while v gives verbose output. The delete option ensures that any files deleted from the source are also removed from the backup. Save the script and exit the editor. Make the script executable with the command chmod +x backup.sh. Next, you'll want to set up a cron job to automate the backups. Open the cron tab configuration by running cron tab e. Decide how often you want the backups to occur. For example, to run the backup daily at 2 a.m., add the following line: 02****/path/to/backup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.